Oh, that dry dead pine goes up like gasoline. All right guys, it's time for dinner and I'm gonna be making something special. I'm roasting lamb shank. Got a touch of olive oil here. Just want it oily so that all the herbs will stick to it. We're gonna set it over this fire. Oh yeah, nice sear on that. Now we're gonna roast it slow and low. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing and it sounds amazing. Oh. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. I also brought along a couple pieces of naan too. That is so good. I don't eat lamb enough.